Putting EFI manifolds on an older engine is a very common mod, and yet I couldn't find a video that got into the nuts and bolts of it. Maybe I just didn't look hard enough. I started this yesterday. I thought I'd make a quick video. I did read that a couple of the fastener holes were missing because of the later engine had them and this didn't. But I was surprised. All right, this one's missing right here. That's not a big deal. What surprised me though is this one and that one are missing. So this rear manifold doesn't have a stud to slide onto. So I decided to put it together with the manifold and then jack it up a little bit and get it into spot to hold it in place before I tighten everything up. The gasket I got is really good. It's very thick, so it's got a lot of crush space. I got that off of Rock Auto. It's Remflex exhaust gasket. If you don't like them, you haven't tried them. Well, I guess we're gonna see. The studs are Dorman. Dorman's not exactly high quality, but it's 30 foot-pounds to tighten these up, so I think we'll be okay. And I went out to my local True Value. I got myself some cinch nuts that'll really hold it in. And I'm obviously gonna use the original big washers from the original bolts. The new pipe is 2.5, but I'm gonna cut it and go to 3-inch just to try to get as little exhaust pressure as I can. With Amazon, it's a lot easier just to buy things that slap together and do it yourself. I had to take the alternator bracket off because I use studs. This is in the way, so I had to take it off to get that on. Had to take off the starter wire, which isn't a big deal. Oh yeah, the plug for the exhaust gas was circulating. The outer one was 3/4 inch MPT, and I just got that at the local Lowe's. One thing I'm running into, my truck is a 1978 F-150. These mounted 4x4, so these mounting bolts are in the way. So I'm gonna have to cut the threads off to give me the room I need to bring this up, because right now it's contacting. There's 2 of them. So that's my next step, is to cut those down and get everything lined up. And then I'll probably see if I can get the, then I'll have to take it back off, cut it, run 3 inches sections down there, and then I'm gonna wrap it with high temp wrap. I know a lot of people don't like the wrap because they say it holds moisture, but this thing doesn't have air conditioning, and I really want to try to keep it cool in the engine bay as much as I can. Plus, heat causes corrosion. I'm trying to cut back on the corrosion. Hopefully this turns out well. I got all today to do this, and wish me luck.